Hi, this is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gift bow using the Stampin Up Take a Bow bundle found in the Holiday Catalog 2024. Not only is it quick and easy, but you can make one for a variety of occasions. So let's get started. This is the Take a Bow die. It's a one-piece die, and you're going to use it to cut the strips needed to make your gift bow. This is the Take a Bow 6x6 Designer Series paper. It comes with 48 sheets of DSP of 4 different designs. So you're going to get a pattern that looks like this on the front and back, front, back, front, back, front, and back. The colors in this paper are garden green, granny apple green, and real red. You can find this bundle in the mini catalog. I cannot show you the inside yet until it goes live in September, but you can find it in the mini catalog September to December 2024. If you don't have a catalog, contact me and I'll be happy to send you one. And here's my gift bow that I've already made using one of the sheets from that package. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is get 2 sheets of the 6x6 Designer Series paper. Now, the bow that I'm going to make today is not a Christmas one since I've already made one. I'm going to be using a different 6x6 Designer Series paper. This is the Iconic Celebrations 6x6 Designer Series paper, and I like it because there's Designer Series paper for a lot of different occasions. There's fall, there's Christmas, birthday, weddings, New Year's. This is a nice pack of paper, and this is an online exclusive available right now. Now again, you're going to line this up on your Designer Series paper. 2 sheets of the same pattern. I'm just using this as a reference. And then you're going to run it through your die cutting machine. Now, once you run it through, you're going to end up with 6 long pieces, 4 medium pieces, and then 2 short pieces. All right, we're going to start with the long pieces first. And I'm using this Valentine hearts. I think this will be very, 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 very pretty. Now, to put this together, I'm just going to use some permanent adhesive. You can use liquid glue. You can use a hot glue gun, whatever your favorite adhesive. I'm just using permanent adhesive, and it's worked so well for me. All right, what you're going to do, you're going to add some adhesive to one end. And then you're going to fold this over. It's almost like in the shape of a hexagon. I hope you can see this. And I'm just going to line those ends up just like so. Just like that. And then I'm just going to take a bone folder to make sure the ends are attached. Okay? And do it again. I was watching preseason football, so making these were just really a piece of cake. And I like having a die because, you know, you don't want to, I added adhesive a little bit early, but we'll come back to that. Let me go ahead. You're gonna need 4 of these little bow pieces for the top piece. Once you do this one time, ripping these out will be a piece of cake. Right, here we go. Again, making that little hexagon shape. We'll keep these all the same size. Now, this is what I've learned in making these. You can attach these one at a time, but I found it very helpful that if you go ahead and do 2 at a time, it makes it easier to assemble. And it keeps me from having an OCD moment. All right, then what I'm going to do is add some adhesive in the middle. And then I'm just going to add this just like that. So you get that little pot that looks like it, almost looks like a little flower. Okay, that's the first 4. Then the second 2, you're going to repeat the same process, and I've already done this to save time. I did this with 2 more, and so now you're going to have this piece. All right, then what I'm going to do is add some adhesive, and then I'm just going to put this in the middle, straight in the middle. Okay, now you're going to have your 4 medium pieces. Okay, I repeated the same process by gluing the ends, and then I made a smaller pot that looks just like this. So the same thing, same 4 pieces, adding some adhesive on the end, folding it over, and I made a smaller pot like this. Okay, so now I'm going to add some adhesive in the middle, right there in the middle, and then I'm going to take this pot and put it right here, and you might have to line it up a little bit. Uh-oh. That's what you get when you get a fluffy bow. Oh, it's wonky. All right, let me fix this. Yep, you're wonky. Now, there we go. Alright, so now you got your makings of your bow. Oh, my OCD is kicking in a little bit. Let me see. Let me fix this off camera for a minute. It's hard for me to see it on video. All right. Fluff you back up. All right, there we go. And then you're going to have 2 little pieces left. Now you don't need both of these pieces, you only need one, so you can save this for another project. All right, and then you're gonna just simply fold this over and glue it. So then you're going to have an end that looks just like this. And then you're just going to add some adhesive to the bottom of it. And then you're just going to stick it right in the middle. And there you have it. An easy gift bow. Now this probably would have been easier had I used liquid glue, but I didn't. So, but I still think it's fine. So here's my bow. Here's my Christmas bow. And then I used a birthday pattern from that pack, and I made another. These are super, super, super easy. And I hope you found this video useful. Again, this is the Stampin' Up! Take a Bow Die. And the paper is the Take a Bow 6x6 Designer Series paper. And you can find this in the Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog 2020-24. 2020-24, no, 2024. I hope you like this project. And if you'd like to see my other projects and cards, you can find me at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can find me at Peanuts and Peppers Cards on Instagram. You can find me at Facebook at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting, also here on my YouTube channel. If you like to shop with me, you can shop with me at lisafleming.stampinup.net. Thank you for stopping by. If you need a holiday catalog, please let me know. Have a happy, stampy day. See you soon.